Okay guys, so let's continue this discussion reading part of the POA reviewer, and we are now on 375. Okay, so sabi ni Iga, 땡 씨는 정말 한국말을 잘하시네요. Okay, so 땡 씨, pangalan to guys, si Mr. or Miss 땡. Okay, 정말, really, 한국말. Okay, 한국말 guys, 한국말, Korean language. Then 잘, well, then 하시네요, 하시다. 잘하시다 means to do well. So neyo guys sa Tagalog, it just means pala. Okay, so 잘 하시다, 잘 kasi well, then 하시다, honorific form of hada, to do. So meaning you do well, Korean, pala, talaga, no? So yun yung sabi ni Ga. Uy, Mr. or Miss Teng, magaling ka palang mag-Korean talaga, no? You're really good at Korean, or you do well in Korean. Yun po yung thought niyan guys. Then yung reply niya, 처음 한국에 왔을 때는. Okay, 처음 guys means first time. Then 한국에, 한국, Korea에, in, or sa Tagalog sa. So sa Korea first time, 왔을 때. Okay, 왔을 때 means 왔다, to come, past tense, came. Then 을 때, when. Okay, so when I came to Korea for the first time, yun yung thought. 한국말, the Korean language, 너무, very. Okay, yes, saan yung tamang sagot dito guys? To alin yung tamang sagot? Okay, number 3, no? 어려웠는데, 어려웠어요. 어렵다 guys means to be hard, no? Difficult, ganun. Then 어려웠다, naka-past tense siya kasi it refers nung time na first time niyang dumating sa Korea, which is nakaraan na, past tense. Okay, so 어려웠는데, nunde, this context means but. So it was hard, it was very hard, 너무 어려웠는데, Korean language was very hard when I came to Korea for the first time. Ngayon thought, it was hard, it was very hard, Korean language, when I first came to Korea, or when I came to Korea for the first time. 근데, but, 지금은, 지금 means now, 좀, a little bit in this context, 쉬워졌어요. Okay, 쉬워졌어요. 쉬워졌다, 쉬워요 guys. 쉬워요, 쉽다, which means easy, and 졌어요 in this context, it means became, no? So it became easier, it became a little bit easy, 좀 쉬워졌어요. Now, 지금은. Okay, yun po yung thought. Okay, hindi po 길었는데, 길다 kasi yung verb dito guys, long. Okay, so number 1 is not correct. 이번 number 2, 높았는데. Okay, 높았는데, 높다, which means to be high. Okay, 아닙니다. Then 무거웠는데. Okay, 무겁다, which means to be heavy. Okay, so 아닙니다. So therefore, 정답 다시 한번 3번입니다. Number 3. So 376. 해철 씨. Okay, so Mr. or Miss 해철. Okay, so 목소리가 너무 땡. Okay, 목소리, voice, okay, yung boses, 너무, very, blank. 잘 안 들려요. Okay, 잘 means well, and in this context means don't, or it, in this context guys, no, special case, in this context it means can't. Okay, okay, 안 들리다. Okay, yung verb kasi is 들리다, which means to be heard. So 들려요 means heard or be heard. Okay, so your voice cannot be heard well. Yun po yung thought ng sentence na ito guys, no? 목소리가 너무 blank, 잘 안 들려요. So if you say 잘 안 들려요, hindi mapakinggan ng maayos or hindi mo siya mapakinggan ng maayos. Yun po yung thought niyan, guys. So, pag hindi mapakinggan ng maayos yung boses, yes, mahina. Okay. So, but in Korean, guys, they say maliit yung boses, no? They do not usually say mahina yung boses, but they say it, yes, mahina or maliit yung boses. So, ano yun sa Korean yung maliit? Yes, small, 작다. Okay, number 2. So, 작다 kasi yung verb dito, guys, which means to be small. So, if you say 목소리가 너무 작아서 or 너무 작아요 means your voice is very small in literal context. But its thought is your voice is small or your voice is mahina. Yun po yung thought nito, guys, no? So, 커서 크다 yung verb, which means to be big, 아닙니다. Okay, hindi kasi marinig, guys. So, therefore, maliit, no? Mahina. 목소리가 작다. Okay, mahina yung boses. Small yung tinig, yung boses. 무거워서, 무겁다, guys, no? 무겁다, which means to be heavy, 아닙니다. Mali po yan. Next, 가벼워서, light or yung magaan. So, magkabaliktad silang dalawa, guys, no? 반대말, okay, which means opposite word. Ito naman, 반대말 din, no? Opposite word. Okay, so 다시 한번 정답 sa number 376, guys. 2번입니다. Number 2. Pero discuss pa rin natin yung remaining part. 크게 얘기해 주세요. Okay, 크게, okay, 크다, big. Or in this context, if you say 목소리가 크다, big voice or loud voice, so it means loud in this context instead of big, no? So loud, then ke can usually add the meaning of ly in English. So 크게 means loudly. 예쁘게, okay, 예쁘다, pretty, then 예쁘게, prettily. Okay, loudly, 얘기해 주세요. Okay, 얘기하다, talk, then 주세요, please, in this context. So please talk loudly. I can't hear your voice well since itong since mahina yung boses mo. Okay, sabi ni na, 알겠어요, I got it. Okay, so mas formal, 알겠습니다. Okay, 크게 얘기할게요. 크게, loudly, 얘기할게요. 얘기하다, talk, and 을게요, will. Okay, so 얘기할게요 means I will talk loudly. 크게. Okay, so therefore 다시 한번 정답 2번입니다. Okay, last part for this video, 377. 사비 니까 우리 과장님은 너무 blank 보여요. 안 그래요? Okay, so 우리 our 과장님. Okay, 과장님, the manager, no, if you translate it in English, so manager, 너무, very, blank, 보여요. 보여요, in this context, it looks like. From the verb buida. Okay? It looks, or ang aming manager daw looks very blank. 안 그래요? 안 그래요? 안 그래? Okay, meaning, hindi ba ganyan? Or hindi ba? No, so, 안 그래요? Hindi ba? Ganun. So, not or don't be like that. No, creo kasi, guys, it means to be like that. Then ang an means don't. So sa Tagalog pa, hindi ba ganyan? Okay. So ano ba yung nire-refer niya dito? So malalaman natin sa reply ni na. Sabi ni na, 맞아요. Okay, correct. 50살이 넘으셨는데. Okay, so 50살. Okay, 50 in this context means 50, then 살 means years old. So 50살, 50 years old, 넘으시다. 넘다, yung basic form, 넘다, which means to be, yes, to exceed, no? So 넘으시다, okay, 넘으셨는데, it is the honorific form of 넘다, kasi they are talking about manager eh. So therefore, ginamitan nila ng honorific form. So it just means, guys, nag-exceed, lumagpas na, no? Then hindi, but, so lumagpas na daw siya ng 50, But 30대처럼 30, 30, then if you put 대, it means 30s, no? 40대, 40s, 50대, 50s, no? So, dito 30대, 30s처럼 like 보여요. Looks. So, he looks like 30s. Pero lagpas na siya ng 50 years old. Okay. Tama, nag-agree siya. So, therefore, bata, no? So, looks like young. So, 1번과 2번은 정답이 될 가능성이 낮아요. So, maliit yung chance na maging answer sila, correct answer kasi they are not, hindi sila related dito sa context na ito. So, ko from the verb 크다 which means big. So, looks like big kasi bata pa, 아닙니다. Small, 아닙니다. 작다. Okay. 젊어. Okay, 젊다 which means to be young. Okay, so if you put number 3 guys, 젊어 보여요 means looks like young. Okay, so therefore 정답 3번입니다. Number 3 yung tamang sagot. Hindi 늙어. Kabaliktaran siya ni 젊어 which means to be old. Okay, so 다시 한번 정답 3번입니다. 우리 과장님은 너무 젊어 보여요. 안 그래요? Okay.